project 2, we're showing how to test a data center. In this particular case, we're using OM4 multi-mode, which is going to be on the Rogue units, the top left port. This is a quad unit where the multi-mode is on the left and the single mode is on the right. And as we read left to right, so the numbers are identified, the left port would be number 1, right port's number 2. So in this case, we want to take our test reference grade jumpers of OM4. We're going to inspect them, we want to clean them, and plug them into engine 1, which again is on the left-hand side. And we want to do that in both units. We want to use a bulkhead / mating sleeve to connect the other 2 ends, so you have a complete tethered unit from one port to the other, not from port 1 to port 1, the remote to the main, or vice versa. As you turn on your Turbo app on both your tablets, hit the project button, and then the projects will be listed. Make sure that you are on Wi-Fi. Unless you've downloaded the projects the night before, make sure that you're on Wi-Fi to download any updates. Get into the project by pressing on it, then you'll have a list of fiber groups. In this particular case, there's 3 fiber groups. We're going to do the middle fiber group, which is data center testing. Once you press on the data center testing on both tablets, doesn't matter which one's first, then it'll show you a graphic representation of the Rogue, and that's going to be port number 1 where you're plugged in. On the whichever unit's going to be the remote unit, go to the menu button at the top left. It's the 3 horizontal lines which are at the top left of the AFL logo on the tablet. You press on that, the left header comes open. About halfway down you'll see where it says remote mode. Put that unit in remote mode. Go to the main unit, hit the menu button at the top left. About halfway down is the referencing. Press on the referencing. You're going to notice a split screen where it says engine /engine 1 port 1, engine 2 port 2. Because it's multi-mode and it's the left hand, that means it's the number 1 engine. You're going to press on referencing. It'll give you a couple drop downs. You're going to do a 2 jumper. It'll probably say single mode. You'll need to drop down on that and put OM4. Once you do that, then you'll hit next at the bottom right. It'll take about 9 to 12 seconds. It'll show you the animation, and then you hit next at the bottom right, which is a blue icon. Once that disconnects, it'll alert you, and then you hit done. Then you'll have to press done again, break the connection in the middle at the bulkhead, and you're ready to make your test.